Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Geeta. This session is for class 10 mathematics, chapter 2 polynomials. The topic we are discussing is 2.3 relation between zeros and coefficients of a polynomial. Today we will be solving problem from page number 29. Page number 29, we have solved this problem already. 2x square minus 8x plus 6. Now let's solve the problem. P of x equals 3x square plus 5x minus 2. So we know that sum of zeros equals alpha plus beta is equals minus of coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Product of zeros alpha beta equals constant term divided by the coefficient of x square. Constant term is this one 2 and the coefficient of x square is 3. Now let's try to solve this problem. So the question is 3x square plus 5x minus 2. So we have to find the factor. So by splitting method. So let's find the factor like this. So first we have to multiply these two terms. So this is plus 3 into minus 2 which is equals minus 6. So we have to take, when we multiply we have to get this minus 6 and when we add or subtract we have to get this plus 5. So the two numbers will be 6 into 1 we get 6 and 6 minus 1 we can get 5. We need minus 6, so we can take as 6 into minus 1. So which is 6 plus minus 1 equals 5. So now we have to substitute the values of 6 and minus 1 instead of 5. So which is 3x square plus 6x minus 1x. You can substitute this instead of 5 and minus 2. This 2 comes down here equals 0. So for the first two terms we have to find the common term which is 3 and x. So it will be the remaining 3x is taken out. So the remaining is x in this and this plus comes down here. 3x is 2 times we get 6x and we know that this term and this term will be same. So in these two terms we have to find the common terms. So we can take minus 1 out. For this it is x because minus 1 into x is minus 1x and minus 1 into plus is minus and minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. So equals 0. Now we have to take this x plus 2 out. So this becomes as 3x minus 1 and x plus 2 equals 0. Now 3x minus 1 equals 0. 3x equals this minus 1 goes this side and becomes as plus 1 and x equals this 3 comes down here and becomes as 1 by 3. Whereas for this x plus 2 equals 0. So x equals this plus 2 goes this side and becomes as minus 2. So the zeros we have found here are x equals 1 by 3 comma minus 2. So these are the zeros we have got for this quadratic polynomial. Now we have to find the sum of zeros. So sum of zeros of 3x square plus 5x minus 2. So alpha plus beta equals, we know the sum of zeros as 1 by 3 and minus 2. 1 by 3 plus minus 2. So when we take LCM, this 1 by 3 minus 2 by 1. So the common term is 3 here and 3 1 times. So we know this, right? Into 1. So the same number will be multiplied here. So 1 and this minus comes down here minus and 1 is into 3 times. So the same 3 go up here and it is 6. So which is equals minus 5 by 3. So the sum we have got is minus 5 by 3. Now we have to find with this steps. So alpha plus beta equals minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. So which is equals coefficient of x is 5. So which is minus, this minus comes down here, minus coefficient of x is 5 divided by coefficient of x square is 3. And this comes down here. So, by this, this and this are equal. Now we have to find the product of zeros. Product of zeros can be written as alpha beta. So product of zeros of 3x square plus 5x minus 2. So alpha beta equals, the zeros of this polynomial are 1 by 3 and minus 2. 1 by 3 into minus 2. So which is equals minus 2 by 3. Now the formula for this is alpha beta equals constant term divided by coefficient of x square. So which is equals, the constant term we know here is minus 2 and coefficient of x square is 3. So minus 2 by 3. So from this we know this, these and this are equal. This is what is explained here. First, for this problem, we have to find the factors. The factors are x equals 1 by 3 and x equals minus 2. Then we have to find its sum of its zeros, which is minus 5 by 3, which is same even with the formula minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. And the product of zeros, you have to find the product of zeros. And the product of 0 is minus 2 by 3, which is equals constant term divided by coefficient of x square. So this is what you have to remember for solving this problems. Sum of zeros is equals alpha plus beta equals minus b by a, which is equals to minus coefficient of x by x square. And product of zeros alpha beta equals c by a, which is equals constant term divided by coefficient of x square. We will solve example 2 in the next session. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments. Also, please subscribe to get the regular updates. Thank you.